Hey, this is my unboxing video for my Ecco Biom Hybrid 2 street casual golf shoes. Got this nice bag. Picked these up at the Ecco store at the mall. Got this nice box. Wrap them up nicely. Picked up the gray shoes with the blue laces, blue and gray bottom. These have the 2-zone sole. I'm assuming that helps you anatomically with your footwork. Come with gray laces. Blue laces were already set up. Picked these up fairly recently. Haven't used them outside yet. About $195 shoes with the tax. It's about $208. I should have bought these at an online retailer. I wouldn't have paid the tax. I probably would have got free shipping. I thought here in New Jersey we'd have no sales tax on shoes. I guess golf shoes are a luxury. Styling, really nice styling, fits my style to a T. But the biggest reason why I got them is they fit like a glove, and they're more comfortable than these older Ecco shoes that I have. I guess similar in principle, but a lot different in the execution. These things definitely fit like a glove, and I'm not sure if I want to wear them on the golf course just yet. I think I want to use these as street casual shoes until they get broken in and have some wear. Once they're not looking so nice, then I'll probably start wearing them on the golf course. Maybe I'll hit golf balls with them on the driving range and see how that goes. But yeah, these are really nice shoes. They fit like a glove. Really comfortable, and that's the reason why I picked them up. Of course, I'm failing here trying to tie them. Yeah, these guys definitely get 5 stars. Styling and feel, comfort. Can't beat it. I guess I'll report back if I have more information on whether or not I played with them or use them to hit balls at the driving range. Till then, take care.